Hey guys, thank you so much for joining in. Guys, in this particular video of WordPress series, we will understand if you have a Hostinger account, then how you can access the file manager of your website so that if you want to upload some file, upload some data or download or delete some data or folder, then what is the process. So right now I am in my Hostinger account. Of course, if you don't have Hostinger account, you can go in the description, click on the link and buy a new Hostinger account because Hostinger is one of the most popular hostings for WordPress, especially if your website is beginning or maybe to a medium level. And of course, right now if you go through via my link, you will get up to 75% discount, and if you use my special coupon code, then you will also get additional 10% discount, so that you overall get 85% discount on your overall purchase. So what are you waiting for? Go and click on the link below to see the latest offer. So once I am on my Hostinger account, of course I need to see my hosting. So right now I have cloud hosting, which is the most advanced option in the hosting plans, and I need to click on manage. Once I click on manage, there are options on the left hand side, and the last option is called advanced. Click on advanced option, and there are multiple options like PHP, info, cache manager, gate, password incorrect, IP manager, everything, right? Just above the advanced option, there is an option called files. Click on files and click on file manager. So now it gives you two options. Either you want to access the files of a particular domain, or if you want to access all the files which are there on your Hostinger account. So for example, if you want to make changes in your only particular websites, then click on this option, first option, choosing your main domain. And then once you click on this option, you will be redirected to the file manager account like this. And here you will see multiple options that, total how much storage is left, total how many inodes are used and everything. There is an option called public_HTML folder. This is the main folder in which every file is stored. So click on this folder, and right now you see this is a temporary domain name. So right now there is no website available. But if I show you the one of the live domain, then from this drop down, I select my one of the main website which have content in terms of file manager. So if I click on this, and now if I click on rapidlearning.site, and now if I come to the file manager, you will see there are multiple files because it is made in WordPress. So now I am inside public_HTML, and you can see since it is made in WordPress, so WP admin, WP content, WP includes files are there, and these are the files. So why we need this file manager? Because sometimes we need to make some changes in htaccess file. Maybe we want to change something in, let's say, WP config file, or maybe we want to directly upload some content. Let's say go to WP content, maybe go to uploads, and there are media files also. So WP this is the media folder. So right now it is December. Now if you want, let's say there is a heavy file which is not being uploaded via WP admin, or some error is there, now you can directly upload from here. Click on this button, that is upload, and you can directly upload in your media folder, and this will be directly visible. The other use case is to upload a custom plugin. So let's say there is a custom plugin which can't be can't be uploaded directly via WP admin, maybe due to some error. So you can come to WP content and plugins, double click. Now you can upload the plugin here, the zip file, and then of course you can extract by going in the WP admin folder. Same with WP theme, that is themes. So if you have any custom or paid theme, you can directly upload from here, and then you can use in WP admin folder. So that's how you can access the file manager option inside the Hostinger account in order to access or in order to operate some tasks which are directly related to your files and not directly related to WP admin. And guys, if you want to see more videos on WordPress, click on this playlist and you will see all the videos. And if you want to see my latest videos, click on this option so that you will see the latest video. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.